For more than 50 years, Spacesaver has redefined how the world stores, protects, and accesses what matters most. From our 330,000 square foot facility in Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin, we craft high-quality, versatile storage solutions that are built to last. And we do so sustainably. Our systems, made with recycled steel, can be reconfigured, reused, and relocated to offer you long-term solutions. Whether it's securing evidence for law enforcement, preserving priceless museum collections, or organizing athletic equipment, Spacesaver delivers solutions that fit your space, your workflow, and your mission. With more than 400,000 installations across North America and worldwide, our solutions support libraries, hospitals, military bases, educational institutions, and more. Our comprehensive approach combines custom engineering and full-service project management with our expert distribution network and factory-certified installers, allowing us to deliver the solution that's perfect for your space. We're proud to be 100% employee-owned, and every product we build reflects the pride, precision, and purpose of the people behind it. Spacesaver. Creative solutions, proven expertise.